Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got another great Veganuary recipe for you today. It's day 8.
No, it's not.
It's day 9.
I believe so, yes.
Okay, it's confusing, but it is what it is. So today I am going to make a cookie recipe. It's for oatmeal tahini date cookies.
Yum.
And I love a chocolate chip cookie. This is like a chocolate chip cookie substitute. Instead of blending the dates into like the fat of the cookie, the dates are chopped, so it's going to kind of take the place of like a chocolate chip in it. So it's almost like an oatmeal raisin cookie, but instead of the raisins, it's dates. So it's really simple. It's whole food, plant-based. And let's begin. So in my bowl over here, this is also gluten-free, by the way. So I have my oats, and I have some brown rice flour. All of the measurements and everything are going to be in the info box below. My dishwasher is going to play a song in a minute, so don't even... Alright, so to this, we're going to be adding some baking powder, because we want a little lift. We want a little Brazilian butt lift.
Okay, Vanderpump Rules.
It's the most difficult operation. I don't know about that, but...
No, Ariana said it was dangerous.
Oh, dangerous. The most dangerous operation. Well, maybe. Also, a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt. So, we're going to give this a stir. Now we're going to add our tahini. That's a lot of delicious tahini.
Oh, yeah.
Love it. By the way, tahini is naturally low in sodium. So that's good if you're on a low sodium, whole food, plant-based, SOS situation. And we're also going to add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And a nice healthy squirt of vanilla. I want to try and get all of my stuff out of the measuring cup.
Of course, you want everything
that I paid for, Gramps. That's right. Alright, so we're going to get this mixed, and then final ingredient are these luscious, juicy, soft, decadent medjool dates. But you don't have to use medjool dates. You can get the Deglet Noor dates, the smaller ones. They're a little bit cheaper, more accessible in the supermarket. My tahini was a little hard, so I'm going to have to work this.
Well, you work it, and we'll check back on how you're doing.
Alright. Alright, we're all mixed up, not confused. So while we start scooping these out onto the pan, let's talk about substitutions. So for the brown rice flour, you could substitute an almond flour. For the dates, you could substitute raisins, chocolate chips. That's it. And for the tahini...
What about like figs or something?
Yeah. You could definitely do figs. And a lot of the times those already come chopped up into little chunks, so you save some time there. And for the tahini, you can substitute either almond butter, sunflower butter, or peanut butter. And they're all going to be wonderful. So I'm going to shape a whole tray of these. I've got my oven preheating to 350. They're going to go in for about 12 to 15 minutes, and we'll be ready for cookies.
All right.
All right. There you go. You're not in focus.
My hair's all wet. But oh my god, the whole entire house smells so
It smells
good.
amazing right now. I just can't stop looking at how delicious these look.
Well, we're about to find out how they taste.
All right, well.
I have a feeling they're gonna be good.
Yeah.
Oh, still warm. I put this on my face, but...
Don't eat them hot, because you'll burn your mouth.
Yeah.
Because of the sugar
Ooh, it smells good.
in the dates holds on to the heat.
Very tasty.
All right.
This would be perfect with a nice, warm mug of tea.
I was thinking with a nice cold glass
if that's what you
of
prefer.
oatmeal. Not oatmeal, oat milk.
I've never been a milk and cookies type of girl.
I would
I'm a tea
only
and cookies girl.
have some milk for warm cookies.
This is tasty. This is really good.
You can really taste the sesame in there.
The
It really
maple's
comes
so
through.
Nice in there.
Yeah.
The dates. Yeah, the sesame, you taste it for sure.
That's the first thing that you taste when you have it.
Very, very good.
And the brown rice flour really helps it to be a little bit crunchy on the outside. Otherwise, the oatmeal wouldn't make it crunchy on the outside.
I'm just living my best life right now. Sorry.
Well, we'll leave you to it.
Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. Please let us know if you give these a try. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.
Predict you will not be sorry if you give these a try.
Yeah, they're really good.
One thing that I just remembered, if you're using the tahini, make sure you don't get the kind that comes like in the can.
Okay.
Because sometimes it can taste a little metallic. It can really take
You don't
on...
want that.
No, it can really take on the flavor of the can.
This is so good.
So get the one that's in the pouch or in a glass jar. And you won't be disappointed.
Good to know.
So
thank you all again so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, much love.